Hi, it's Ashley from Sutra Beauty, and I want to show you the Magno Turbo Flat Iron. This Magno Turbo Flat Iron comes in 4 different colors. It has cool tip edges for easy accessible styling without burning your fingers, and it heats up to 450 degrees in 5 seconds. This flat iron has titanium plates. It's lightweight and provides even heating throughout. The Sutra Magno Turbo Flat Iron has a 360-degree swivel cord and ion technology that draws oils from inside your hair cuticle to the outside of your hair shaft, giving you healthier, shinier hair. When you purchase your Magno Turbo Flat Iron from sutrabeauty.com, it'll come in a box like this. You'll open your box and inside will be the flat iron with the color that you chose. To power the Magno Turbo Flat Iron, you press the power button on the right side. You adjust the temperature with the plus and minus buttons on the left.